What do you think about when you hear the word robotics? Is it science fiction? Is it the future? Well, it's actually here right now. In fact, robotics is a field of study that's been around for decades. It's an interdisciplinary field that combines engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence to create machines that can perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. Robotics scientists work in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and military. They designed and develop robots that can perform repetitive tasks with precision and accuracy. They also develop the algorithms and software that control these robots. The field of robotics is constantly evolving with new advancements in technology. Some of the latest trends include the use of machine learning and deep learning algorithms in robotics. This has led to the development of robots that can perform more complex tasks and interact with humans in a more natural way. If you're interested in learning more about robotics, there are several online courses and tutorials available. So what do you think? Is robotics the future? Let me know in the comments below.